Back home, I'm used to driving a Civic, but on this trip, I've been driving an SUV, and I gotta tell you, it is a whole different ballgame.
Driving an SUV and a sedan, totally different experiences. Now, what do you feel like some of the biggest differences are?
First off, I'd say drivability. These vehicles, SUVs, trucks, they're higher, wider. They can be quite a handful. You may notice the vehicle diving or squatting under hard braking or acceleration. And turns feel different because of the center of gravity, but with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it.
Don't forget about visibility. Since the SUV sits higher, there are some blind spots that you have to look out for.
Yes, unfortunately, I did have to learn that the hard way. Lastly, of course, there's parking. These vehicles do require more space, not only to park, but also to maneuver into a spot. But again, my advice, practice, take your time, stay away from tight spots, avoid collisions on your first day with an SUV.
Next, Doug and I are taking our road trip to Asheville, North Carolina. Join us for more fun and fascinating car tips at CarShield TV.